How to allow certain people to ring iPhone in Do Not Disturb. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find and tap on Focus. From the list of available focus modes, go ahead and select Do Not Disturb. In the Do Not Disturb menu, tap on the People option under the Allow Notifications section. Here, select Allow Notifications from to specify which contacts can reach you. Then, tap on the Add People icon to open your contact list. Scroll through your contacts and select the person you want to allow. Once selected, tap on Done at the top right corner to save your changes. The selected contact will now be listed as an exception, and their notifications will come through even when Do Not Disturb is on. Following these steps, you can easily allow certain people to ring iPhone in Do Not Disturb. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.